Is there a Kilo Delta Kilo Station KDK? Okay, George, thank you. Good to hear Sterling, Massachusetts coming through. I'm rotating the antenna up towards you. I had it pointing to Richardson, Texas, and now it's up pointing towards Sterling, Mass. QTH here is north of the capital city, Bogota. Back to you, George. K1KDK, HK3 Charlie. Okay, well, that could be a bad thing. A good signal, no matter which way I point the beam. I take that in a positive sense, George. I am in a very, very good location. And as the real estate guys say, it's all about location, isn't it? Thank you very much. Good to put you in the log for the very first time. I hope you've had some nice weather up there. And I wish you nothing but great colors this fall. I'm from up that way. I grew up in Canada, north of you, on the north shore of the St. Lawrence River. So know all about the change of seasons. Down here, there isn't any change of season. It's temperate all the time. Daytime highs are room temperature, and nighttime lows are around 6. And everything is in that zone always. Back to you, George. K1KDK, HK3 Charlie. Thank you, George. Good night. Talk to you again. This is HK3 Charlie. Kilo Delta Zero Charlie Hotel. Papa Tango Papa Mobile. Kilo Delta Zero Golf Charlie Hotel. Mexico Zero Tango Alpha Queen. M0TAQ. Nice to hear you, Frank. Greetings to Lancashire. You know, of course, I was born in Pontefract in County Yorkshire. So I'll just tell you that my name is Yorkshire Footing. Thank you, Frank. M0TAQ. HK3 Charlie. Oh, very good. Boy, the sleep conditions are good. Conditions are really good. You're 5'9 plus, Frank. And you are right. We've not had a QSO on 17 before, but happy to put you in the log. And I wonder if you're still using that baby loop antenna, that 1 meter diameter loop at the chimney. Is that what you're using, Frank? Well, I'll say it's 5 over 9. Very, very nice. Quite impressive. I've joined the ranks of the PSK users, and in the last 2 to 3 weeks I've been on PSK for the first time in my life. And I'm really surprised that it's not a huge number, but it's a significant proportion. I've talked to 7 or 8 guys in the last 2 weeks that are using loops of some kind, small magnetic loops, and on balconies of all things. So it just proves the adage, Frank, where there's a will, there's a way. Congratulations to you. Very happy it's working out. M0TAQ, HK3 Charlie. Exactly. Conditions on 20 are great. Just absolutely superb in the evening around this time, and I'm sure you'll have no difficulty. Thanks, Frank. TTFN, as my mom used to say, and still says, an old wartime saying. Cheers and beers, HK3 Charlie.